Hello, people. It's a lot of sounds. And today, whoa, fence is blowing all around, crazy. I'm gonna go over some of my favorite sounds in this great wide world of noises that can happen. Tour of the sounds, like this sound. Pretty good sound. What about this noise? Are you entertained yet? Please. Entertainment. Yeah, so there are many different sounds, right? There's a lot of sounds. You know, you're gonna be the first person we interview. What's your favorite sound? Hey, we didn't answer the question. Your name is now blah because it's the sound. Are you sad? What's going on? He's fine. Let's go to another interviewee guy. Right, Mr. Grill, what's your favorite sound? Mr. Grill. I guess that's the answer. If only there were more people to interview. Oh my goodness! Darth Vader with a Gap sweatshirt. What's your favorite sound?
Okay, my favorite sound.
Oh! So Darth Vader with a Gap sweatshirt's favorite sound is heavy breathing. Wow! Darth Vader with a Gap sweatshirt. Who should we interview next?
Okay, maybe the Hat King.
No, the chair. What's your favorite sound? Wait, what were you saying? Who else can we interview?
Oh, how about the Hat King? Because I had to destroy his pesky little gods to get my mask back.
Wait, there's established lore?
Yes.
Wow, I'm really getting invested. The chair still hasn't answered. I guess his favorite sound is getting up and falling down. Darth Vader with a Gap sweatshirt. We're going inside we're going to get the Hat King. Yay! Excellent fun. Whoa!
Okay. When I seek footage, I will catch
What do you mean?
I'm Darth Vader with a Gap suit, and I'm
shitbag. People are calling me the king of hacks now. I'm the king of top 10. Dang it! Also, where the heck is my robe? Hey. Hey guys, we barely got away from the top 10 list king, but we got that wonderful vintage. And I think we don't know his favorite sound, but I think we know his least favorite sound. People sneaking into his house.
Yeah, he hates that.
Darth Vader, did you just take off your mask?
Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah!
No.
Come back here! Wait, why do you look like a, what are you doing? What are you doing in my swamp? What happened? Are you hiding your secret form from me? Get back here. Oh, that's got to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and don't worry about what happened to Darth Vader. Don't worry about what happened to Darth Vader with a Gap sweatshirt. Not sponsored. Don't worry at all.